Welcome to this tutorial on how to short sell on Etoro, a social trading platform that allows users to invest in various financial instruments. Short selling is a trading strategy that involves selling a security you do not own with the expectation of buying it back later at a lower price to make a profit. To start short selling on Etoro, you need to create an account and deposit funds. Once you have logged in, navigate to the Markets section and search for the instrument you want to short sell. You can short sell a wide range of assets, including stocks, commodities, and currencies. When you find the instrument you want to short sell, click on the Sell button. You will then be taken to the trading screen where you can enter the amount you want to short sell. Make sure you have enough funds in your account to cover the trade. One key concept to understand when short selling is leverage. Leverage allows you to control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital. However, it also increases your potential losses. So use it with caution. On Etoro, you can adjust the leverage to suit your trading strategy. Another important concept is stop loss. A stop loss is an order that automatically closes your trade when it reaches a certain price. This helps limit your potential losses if the trade does not go in your favor. You can set a stop loss when you open your short sell position. To illustrate this, let's consider an example. Suppose you want to short sell Apple stock because you think the price will go down. You sell 10 shares of Apple at $100 per share. If the price falls to $90 per share, you can buy back the shares and make a profit of $100. Best practices for short selling on Etoro include doing your research, setting a stop loss, and monitoring your trades closely. It's also essential to understand the risks involved and to never invest more than you can afford to lose. In conclusion, short selling on Etoro can be a profitable trading strategy if done correctly. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using the key concepts and best practices, you can start short selling on Etoro and potentially make a profit. Remember to always trade responsibly and within your means.